How to check Costco store hours near you. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on this video we will learn how we can check Costco stores hour near you. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So first of all, you can visit the Costco's official website and you could use their warehouse locator. So open up a browser, then you could head over to Costco official website. So search for Costco and then you could head over to Costco.com. Make sure to sign in. Then you could use their warehouse locator. All you have to do is just type in your city or zip code, then pick your local store. Then you will see the exact hours and contact information. Or the second option is to go for the application. You could download the Costco Mobile application and you could find a warehouse, or it's handy where you could find a warehouse feature and that shows nearby stores and their hours right on your mobile device through the application. And another quick method is to use for the Google Maps. Open up Maps in your device and then you could search for Costco. Head over to search bar and in the search bar type in Costco plus your city or zip code. Then you could select the location and Google will show your current store hours and the directions. And if you want to be sure or ask about anything specific, you could always call the store directly. You could use the number from the Costco locator or the Google Maps. So that's it. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.